Welcome to RightLook.com, where we empower aspiring entrepreneurs to achieve financial freedom through starting a full-time business or part-time side hustle in advanced auto detailing, paint correction, and ceramic coating application. In this video, we'll show you why starting a detailing business is a great opportunity and why RightLook.com is the best choice for your training and certification. Get ready to learn how you can turn your passion for cars into a profitable and rewarding business or career. Vehicle owners are now seeking out the best professionals to provide advanced auto detailing, paint correction, and ceramic coating application for the ultimate in vehicle shine and protection. With this growing demand for high-quality, advanced detailing services, there has never been a better time to turn your passion for cars or detailing into a profitable business. And the best part? The market for offering this service extends far beyond cars and trucks. From RVs and boats to ATVs and motorcycles, the possibilities are almost untapped and growing. However, this level of advanced service requires a skill set far greater than that needed for a simple detailing job, which means high-end professionals are in demand. With an average charge of $1,000 to $2,000 or more, the potential for profit is huge. So if you're ready to start or grow an advanced detailing business, RightLook.com is the company to help you get it done. And now is the time to act. Our small group, 5-day hands-on training program is designed to help you separate yourself from typical detailers and become a true auto reconditioning expert. You'll receive the training and certification needed to set the pace for your new career or business. Our state-of-the-art training center is designed for the best training experience, complete with the latest equipment and supplies. With step-by-step instructions from RightLook certified trainers who are respected professionals in the industry, you'll get the expertise you need to succeed. And because our training is hands-on, over-the-shoulder, you'll benefit from small, intimate group settings and extensive training in the prep wash, complete interior detailing, exterior detailing, advanced paint correction, and ceramic coating application. Plus, you'll receive a free swag bag full of training materials and RightLook branded items, catered lunches, and 12 months of priority tech support from our experienced detailing instructors. You'll learn the latest industry procedures and techniques for working smarter, not harder, and have access to exclusive discounts on RightLook professional equipment, chemicals, supplies, and marketing services. Once you've completed the course, you'll receive a printed proof of certification to proudly show off your expertise to customers. But that's not all. You'll also receive bonus checklists, inspection sheets, and other valuable resources to print and use for your business. And on day 5, we'll celebrate your success with a graduation celebration and toast, complete with RightLook staff. And there's more. When you sign up for our 5-day hands-on training program, you'll also receive 2 special online training programs to teach you how to market and grow your auto detailing business. Each program normally sells for $795, but they're included with your hands-on training program. These programs are Detailing for Dollars, featuring 10 modules and over 3.5 hours of marketing instruction, and Build a Better Business, which includes 35 business-building educational videos and downloadable checklists. Combined, these programs are valued at over $1,500. Ready to take advanced auto detailing to the next level and become a true, in-demand auto reconditioning expert? With professional training from the experts at RightLook.com, you'll set yourself apart from the competition and be able to command higher prices. Customers will choose you over other detailers, knowing that you have the skills and expertise to provide an exceptional service. Plus, you'll operate a more systematic and efficient business with the proven detailing processes you learn, saving you time and money. And the best part? Your investment in training will quickly pay for itself, and you'll profit from what you learn for years to come. By joining the RightLook.com family, you'll be part of a community of successful business owners who are dedicated to providing the best auto appearance services. We're here to support you on your journey and want to be your partner for growth. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for our 5-day hands-on training program now and choose your preferred training dates at checkout. If you're not sure when you can train, just select Choose Later, and one of our training advisors will reach out to you to confirm your purchase and answer any questions you may have. Remember, success starts with taking action. Don't wait any longer. Schedule your training now and start your journey to financial freedom today. Join the ranks of successful business owners who've transformed their passion for auto detailing into a profitable and fulfilling career. Don't wait. Sign up today and start your exciting new journey as an advanced auto reconditioning expert.